In our previous video explaining what EMC noise is, there were two terms that were used, differential mode and common mode, which we would be talking about in this video. There are two types of currents that flow through any circuit or application, differential mode and common mode. The differential mode currents are the load currents that run through the circuit. The noise or emissions created by differential mode currents are usually lower in frequency than the common mode noise. The differential mode noise or emissions result in unwanted vibrations in the motors and extra disturbances in the grid. The common mode current is equal to the sum of all the currents flowing in one direction. The noise or emissions created by the common mode currents are generally a problem because they flow through parasitic, unintended paths. These paths may include the bearings of an industrial motor, rebar in a skyscraper, and aluminium supports under solar panels, even the hulls of ocean-faring ships. Currents flowing through a motor bearing over time cause electrical discharge machining fluting of bearings, causing potentially catastrophic failure. The Blueferrite nanocrystalline cores absorb these damaging emissions, be it common mode or differential mode. Please feel free to get in touch with us if you want to know more or have any questions.